played by Logan. He's a child just looking around on the field. He's a picture of a cow getting milk by machines, not hands. When the cow is finished, the milk goes into the cooling tanks. A truck comes to the factory and picks up the milk from the cooling tanks. Then the truck goes away and drives off to after the truck comes to the shop to put all the milk into glass, then put all the milk from the glass into a plastic container. He's a man coming to a supermarket to buy milk for his children, his baby, or sister, or his mother.